uh, QX60, and this is 2014. I want to show you the easiest way to remove this racking pinion out. Just a trick. So basically, you're gonna remove the wheels, this 18mm tie rod nut, both sides. So you disconnect this on the other side. You can then you remove the steering bolt. This is a 12mm bolt. Disconnect it and just push it up. Will come out very easy. And then there's two bolts, 221mm bolts. And after you remove this bolt, or before, then you trying to slide this to get it out, the racking pinion, and then it will stuck under the rear motor mount bracket. So what you need to do to get this out without drop the subframe and all that is to take this line out. That's a 12mm too. So right here, this one, it's like that. Let me move it this side. Basically it's like that. So you will remove this I think this one 17mm nut. So you remove this one and take that out. So what you need to do is this 12mm nut, and at the other side here also you take this line off, so you have a room. This one could be stuck on the motor mount bracket. Take this out, and if you're trying to move it, this is stuck also in the mount. So what you need to do is take all 4 16mm mount bolt off. This one, and there is one over here, this one, and one over there. All 4 bolts to get it out. Then you support the engine. You can push it up just very little. You don't have to remove the cat or anything. You just need to this one loose, get it loose. That way you can slide the racking pinion to the driver's side out and show you. See now, this one is pushing this to the side here. So now you can get this out easy. I forgot to tell you also, you need to remove both top nut for the sway bar link and move it up. I hang it with a zip tie over here. So you move this up, it's gonna be on your way also. So now it's like you see, it's very easy to slide this out. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just comment below.